Oh, that is great.
That's decent, you know.
That is very good. Can I go back in there with the same spoon?
Yep, feel free. Today we are going to be cooking a super easy, super quick red Thai curry. I say we, Gary's the guy going to be cooking.
I love curry as well,
Yep.
so this is going to be great.
First things first, Gary, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
So coconut oil, because it does give you the flavour, doesn't it? It's rather than olive oil or...
Exactly, yeah. We are using shallots here rather than red onions or white onions because shallots are a lot sweeter. Yep. So let's go in with the garlics, really thinly sliced garlic. As soon as the aroma of the garlic comes out, let's go in with the ginger, which has been pre-grated.
It smells delicious.
It does smell really good. So it is high time, I feel, that we pop in the coriander stalks. Now the coriander stalks would go in now so they have time to sort of soften up.
So no leaves at all, just the stalks?
We're going to use the leaves of the coriander, but we're going to use it for garnish afterwards. Okay. For me, it tastes really good.
I like it. I like it. Yeah.
So we're going to get the red peppers and soften them up, only cook them for about 30 seconds there and thereabouts. We've got the peppers in there, they're nicely softened but not too soft. It's time to pop in the Thai red curry paste.
This is when the flavours really start.
So yeah, it's going to like
smell,
attack our nostrils in the best possible way.
Wow. Smells beautiful.
Yeah, it smells really, really good. That's decent. The flavours are there, they're all mingled in together. So let's get that coconut milk straight in the pan.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Let's get it all in there. Now there's lots of lumps in there, as you can see. Don't worry about them, they're just going to break down. It's sort of like it separates in the can.
There's nothing you wouldn't like in here.
Exactly.
It's delicious.
I'm going to turn the heat up just a touch to start simmering it off so it thickens nicely. Right, so now because the colour of the red Thai paste is all the way through that milk, it's a high time to get those cherry tomatoes in. So this is looking good, it's smelling good.
I've noticed we've got one thing left here.
Yeah, that's a little bit of lime juice. That's going to bring all them flavours out together.
That's going to be great.
Yeah.
So this is really quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you've just got to keep adding everything.
Exactly. Throw a big plate of nice green vegetables in there.
Yep. Have you done anything to these? Just cut them
Literally nothing. We've washed them and chopped them. So you're popping them straight in there. We've got tender stem broccoli, sugar snap peas, and that is literally it. So it's going to be crunchy, it's going to be super nutritious, super healthy, and it's just going to give something to the sauce. It's looking good, and maybe just 20 seconds more.
Yep.
So this is looking very ready. Right,
wow, as much as I can get in there.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's all good stuff. You could have a pile of rice there and then pour it on top, but this, it's a lot more sort of traditional when it comes to the Thai cuisine. Get that quinoa. Yeah, and just probably roughly half of it, or maybe just under half. Just to give the outside of the plate a little bit of colour, we're going to pop in a few veggies.
They're raw, are they?
Yeah, but again, they've just been slightly blanched just to sort of soften them slightly. The nice seeds in there, yeah, that's it. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of seeds in there that's going to be really good for your omega-3 and just to give it a bit of texture, a bit of crunch. And we could just sit down and yam this right now, but we're not going to because we're about to make our lunchbox up. We've got 2 Tupperware boxes because if you put the sauce over the top of the quinoa, it will just kind of go a bit soggy, so we're splitting them up.
So this is for tomorrow.
That's it. So you pop the lid on there and then you bang it in the fridge and then you've got it for work. Red and white quinoa, complete protein. A couple of veggies to just sit on the side there. I mean, you could probably just have those veggies as a snack if...
I was going to say, I've been snacking on these things. Delicious.
Yeah, so we'll pop these 2 in there as well.
Seeds, yeah. What about the most important bit? Trying it. Good. This looks delicious.
So this is our super quick red Thai curry, cooked with the legend that is Gary Barlow.
Oh, that is great.
That's decent, you know.
That is very good. Can I go back in there with the same spoon?
Yep, feel free. So this, spicy, quite fruity, not really punchy when it comes down to the spice. You could add a couple more chilies in there if you wanted something slightly more spicy, but as far as I can see, this is a damn tasty meal for the dinner, for the lunch, anytime. Right, Gary, mate, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very much.
Brilliant, I really enjoyed it. I'll be making that.
Good.
Promise you.
And there you have it, guys, another BOSH video. If you liked it, hit like. If you've got any comments, drop them below. And if you want to see more content by us,
hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe, baby. Do it.